Good day, kids! Welcome to our English class. Once again, I am your class advisor, Raquel D. Bernabe. Before we proceed to our virtual class, let's set some rules. First, you need to focus on the video. Second, you need to listen attentively. And third, you need to participate actively and post a message on our group chat if it is needed. Hello kids, how are you? Are you ready with our new lesson today? We are now in our quarter 2, week 6. Our topic is all about spelling high-frequency words with short vowel sounds in C, B, C pattern. Our objective for today, at the end of this lesson, you are expected to spell high-frequency words with short A, E, I, O, and U sounds in CBC pattern. Let us review our alphabet. It is divided into two groups, the vowels and the consonants. Let us study the classification below. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, while the consonants are the following: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. This time, let us sing the short vowel sound song. Kids, try to sing while watching.
Introduce each other. I am A. I make the sound cat. Cat. I am short vowel A.
Okay, it's my turn. I am E. I make the sound red. I am short vowel E.
All right, now me. I am I make the sound thin. I am short vowel I.
Ooh, is it my turn now? I am O. I make the sound dog. Dog. I am short vowel O. Yeah, it's finally my turn. I am U. I make the sound nut. Nut. I am short vowel U. We are the vowels. We are the vowels.
Learning spelling and pronunciation in English is a bit tricky and difficult, but some patterns like CBC can make it easier. CBC stands for consonant, vowel, Consonant. A word with CBC pattern is a three-letter word that follows the spelling pattern of a consonant, then a vowel, and ends with a consonant. CBC words have short vowel sound, just like what you have heard in our previous video. Here are some examples of words with short vowel sound. The first one is the short A. Again, how can you read short A? That's right. Ah. So let's have some example with short A. We have man, path, bag. Another one is the short E. Again, how can you read short E? That's right. Eh. Let's have some example of short E. We have leg, pen, and bed. Another CBC word that have short vowel sound is the short I. And how can you read short I? Usa. E. Let's have some example. Big, thin, thin. Another short vowel sound is the short O. And how can you read short O? Awesome. That's O. Let's have some example. Dog and toy. Short O can also be read as A. Let us read an example. Cat. Another short vowel sound is the short U. Short U have two-way sounds or have two-way on how are you going to read that. We have A and U. Let's have some example. We have cat, jump, foot. You have to always remember, kids, that the CBC word begins with a consonant followed by a short vowel and ends with a consonant. On the other hand, high-frequency words are simply the commonly used words in printed text. Okay, kids, now that you already know that the short vowel sounds in CBC pattern, you may now answer the learning tasks found on your English module. The following are the learning tasks that you need to answer. The first one, Learning Task 1, pages 26 to 27. Learning Task 2, page 29. Learning Task 3, page 29 to 30. And then you need to complete the paragraph, page 30. Before I end this session today, I want to leave you this very important quotes. The more that you read, the more things that you will know. Once again, this is your teacher, Kel, signing off. See you again next time.